Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and I want to talk about a fun workshop I'm going to be teaching for the Connecticut American Sewing Guild in May. We're going to be doing the Easy Fit and Sew yoga pants and t-shirt on May 19th at Ashlar Village in Wallingford, Connecticut. And if you'd like specific information or registration information about this workshop, check the comments below. I put Mary Jane's email there so you can contact her. This is one of those workshops where you're going to leave with a finished outfit. One of the biggest things I hear from students is, they take these wonderful workshops, but then they leave with stuff that they have to finish. And a lot of times it gets put in a pile and it never gets finished. So this is an instant gratification, super fun class. And I just thought I'd give you a peek at what we're going to be doing. This is the fitting and workbook pages. And basically what we're going to do is we're actually going to try on the t-shirt and the yoga pants to find the best starting size. And I'm wearing my my t-shirt right now. The cool thing about the pattern is it's got room for your bust. It's got nicely sized shoulders. Very few adjustments that you're probably going to need. But if you do need them, we're going to keep track of them in this worksheet. And then we'll be able to custom fit your tee and your yoga pants. The patterns we're going to be working with, I just want to show you the covers of them. This is the tee twin set. So in addition to the t-shirt, you also get the cardi, which is a really comfortable open front cardigan that you can wear over your t-shirt. So it's kind of cool. You can make it after the fact if you want to. I can help you with that, and I'll have some tips for that at the workshop. You might notice a familiar face on the cover. There's Ruth. She was one of my pattern testers for this pattern, and she did an amazing job, as all of my pattern testers did. So I thought I'd put as many pictures of my pattern testers on this pattern as I could, because I had so many wonderful people working on this. The yoga pants are a one-piece leg. They're very easy to put together. My daughter Abby, she modeled for me on this one. And the cool thing is with the yoga pants, you're going to get fabric in your kit that's amazing. This is a poly spandex, 88% poly, 12% spandex. It is double brushed. It is super comfortable. You're going to want to live in it, because I know that because I do. I work at home, so a lot of times I'm cycling through all the yoga pants I've made for myself. Very, very comfortable. So you're not going to have to worry about picking out fabric for the yoga pants. And we'll probably start with those to sort of be a warm-up to the t-shirt, because it's a little bit quicker to put these together. Both the tee and the yoga pants come in sizes 2 extra small to 4 extra large, so there's plenty of sizes. And again, we're going to custom fit them. The thing about the t-shirt is you have to consider your fabric, because you're bringing your t-shirt fabric. So what I want to do is I want to show you how much stretch the sample has, so you can check that out before you get here. Plus, I'll show you how to tell how much stretch your fabric has. Okay, so I've marked on this t-shirt a 10-inch section. Okay, and you can see I put pins here and here. You're looking for two things. You're looking for fabric that has about 25% stretch. If it's not spot on, that's okay, but it should have at least 20%, okay? And it could be stretchier, and I'll help you adjust your pattern for that if you have it, significantly stretchier. But the way you tell is you mark off a 10-inch section and have it be double layer. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to stretch it. Okay, now see how I can easily stretch this 2.5 inches? That means it's got 25% stretch. Now, the other thing you want to check is you want to make sure when you let it go that it springs back. So see how this is springing back? Okay, that's important. If you let your fabric go and it kind of does this, like that, that means it's got slow recovery, or the recovery is not very good. Fabrics like that will tend to grow throughout the day, and that will make a sloppy looking t-shirt by the end of the day. So if you want something that's going to wear well, it needs to have good recovery, meaning it snaps back, plus it should have about 25% stretch. And so after we pick our sizes, everybody's going to try these on to determine their size, and then I will show you how to adjust your pattern pieces based on how the sample fit you. And again, we're going to keep track of that in the workbook pages. So after we do all that, we'll consider the fabric that you picked for the tee as well, just to make sure it's matching the stretchiness of the sample. And then we will use our adjusted pieces to cut out first we'll do the yoga pants, then we'll do the tee, and we'll put them together. I will have some tips and tricks along the way. You'll be able to get good results constructing your garments, and then we will finish the neckline, and I'll show you some things for hemming as well. So it's going to be a really fun class. Again, it's going to be on May 19th at Ashlar Village in Wallingford, Connecticut. If you click the little I up in the corner, it will take you to my website, and you can see the information I have on my website, or check below for Mary Jane's email and you can check with her for specific information. I'm super excited about this workshop right in my local area, which is always fun. I'm sure I'll see some familiar faces. Probably make some new friends too. I'm excited to meet everybody. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them below. You can email Mary Jane, or you can check my website. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on May 19th.